morning, students. Today, the topic that we will discuss is how to do calculations in PHP and how to declare array. Okay, when you hear the word calculation, so it is nothing but calculation of numbers. Okay, so we have to perform arithmetic operations in PHP, arithmetic calculation, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and many more things. Okay, so we will just start with the calculation in PHP. I go to my XAMPP control panel. Every time make a habit to start the XAMPP control panel. I start the services of Apache and MySQL. I go to my Visual Studio Code. Okay, let's take one example for calculations. I take a new file, for example, calculation.php. Okay, I start with my PHP tag. Okay, one heading I want to give, that is calculations in PHP. One new line. Okay, I'm declaring one variable, for example a equal to 10. One more variable, for example b equal to 20, and I'm taking third variable which will store addition of $a and $b. So this is the simple method for addition of two numbers. Okay, I will just write addition of two numbers, and simply you have to just call a $c. I will write addition is $c, ending with semicolon. Don't forget to give a semicolon. If you don't give semicolon, your program will give error. And at the last, I close my PHP. I save my program. Okay, before executing your program, every time you have to save your program. I go to my browser. I type http colon double slash. First, I will check the services of XAMPP. Okay, my XAMPP is working properly. Then I will go to my folder. My folder name is bca slash my file name is calcal.php, and I just press enter. Okay, so it is giving me output as addition is 30. So this is addition of two numbers. If I want another program, for example subtraction of two numbers, so just I have to change the sign as minus. I will give this 30 be equal to 20, and here I will write subtraction of two numbers. Here also I will write subtraction is okay. I save my program. I go to my browser and I will reload my page. So answer is 10. Okay, if I want to do multiplication, so just change the sign as multiplication, and this I will give as multiplication. Okay, here also I will just change multiplication. I will save my program. I will go to my browser and I will just reload my page. Okay, so answer it is giving me as multiplication is 600. Okay, and the last one, that is division. Okay, I will give the value as 100, 10, and I will just give division. Okay, and I will just change this division. I will save my program, and I will just go to my browser and I will reload the program. So my answer is 10. So these are nothing but the calculation that we can perform in PHP, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. You can do many programs. For example, you can do average of numbers, then you can find area of triangle, you can do area of square, and so on. So this is nothing but my calculation done in PHP. Okay. Now next we have to see how to declare array in PHP. I give the file name as arr.php. Okay. I start with PHP. Okay, one line I will just write as declaration of array in PHP, ending with semicolon. I will give just a new line. Br is a tag for new line. Okay, now I have to initialize one variable. For example, I take fruit. Fruit equal to, okay, fruit is my variable, and now I have to declare array. So array I have to declare with the keyword array, and in bracket I have to just give the values. For example, apple, comma, orange, comma, grapes. Okay, so I've declared three fruits, but my declaration of array, the syntax is we have to take a variable. For example, I've taken $fruit equal to, you have to declare an array by the keyword array and the values in this. Now I have taken apple, orange, grapes. Index of apple is 0, index of orange is 1, and index of grapes is 2. So just I will call this, okay, I call this $fruit at the index 0. Okay, let's see whether this program runs or not. I save my program, I go to my browser, and I will just type the file name as arr.php. Okay, so at the 0 position it is giving me output as apple. Let's see other value at index 1. I will give just one break line between this, $fruit at index 1, ending with semicolon. Just save your program. I go to my browser and I just refresh my page. Okay, so it is giving me value as orange at the number 1 index. Okay, and last one that we have is $fruit at the index 2. So my output should come as apple, orange, and grapes. Just reload your program, so I'm getting the output as apple, orange, and grapes. Okay, so this is nothing but array in PHP. Now we have taken your text. You can also declare number. Text we have to give in double quotes. Number, there is no need in double quotes. I've taken a variable as array, and I take value, for example, 1, 2. Okay, these are numbers, so no need for giving the values in double quotes. Now I will just call dollar num at the index 0, ending with semicolon. I save my program. I go to my browser and I will just reload the page. So it is giving me 1. Okay, so this is the first method for declaration of array. There are two methods. I will show you the second method for declaration of array. Okay, the second method is simple. You take one variable. For example, I take the variable as number. Okay, at the 0 index, I want value, for example, 1. Okay, I've taken the variable as number. At 0 index, I want the value as 1. So I will just print this dollar number at 0 position. I will save my program. I will go to my browser and just I will reload my page. It is giving me the value as 1. Okay, one more value I will take, for example, dollar number at position 1 at the index 1. I want the value as 2, ending with semicolon. I will save my program. I will just go to my browser and I will refresh the page. So it is giving something me like, okay, 2 I have not called. Just I will type echo dollar number at the position 1, ending with semicolon. I will save my program. I will go to my browser and I will just reload my page. So it is giving me as 2. So these are two methods for declaring array. This is my method 1 for declaration of array, and this is my second method. So these are two methods for declaring an array. Okay, always make a habit to practice so that it will be easy for you. Okay, thank you.